Hey everyone, Sarah here from Garden Gate Health. For those of you new to my channel, my name is Sarah. I'm the owner of Garden Gate Health. I'm a holistic nutritionist, a herbalist, a cookbook author, a mother, and a gardener. So this is our big family greenhouse. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have a peach tree. We have all kinds of greens that overwintered. It was a cold winter and we still, come to spring, and this is what we have out here. So we have baby lettuce, or baby kale, arugula, parsley, and Swiss chard in here. So that's so awesome to be able to come outside and just pick some greens for your curries or chilies or salads. And I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's pouring out rain. It's been amazing. Today we've had sun and wind and sprinkles, and now it's downpouring. So it really pays to have a greenhouse on the coast, and we have a big outdoor garden as well. We'll be putting that to good use. But I thought it would be really neat to kind of show you guys what we do out here, and what our little business is also about. So holistic nutrition, and that really starts with good dirt. So I thought I would show you guys what we're doing. And so this is last year's greens, and it's beautiful. And today we're planting hundreds and hundreds of little lettuce. I don't know if you guys can hear me, this is crazy. But this is what a little lettuce seedling looks like. So yeah, there you go. And it's tiny, and these things really amaze me. We'll be transplanting them today, and I'll show you in about 3 weeks, but it'll be like a sea of emerald green. There'll be lettuce everywhere, more than we know what to do with. So yeah, thank you for everyone who's been supporting the food services, and we're gonna spoil you rotten this year. So yeah, there'll be arugula to come, the beautiful squash and zucchinis, lettuce, kale, smoothie bowls, all kinds of goodies. So yeah, it's pretty neat, and it's a great way of life, and I thought we would show you guys what it looks like. So today we're just fertilizing with some organic fertilizer. We have compost we buy Welcome Harvest Farm here in town too, and mix that in, and lots of weeding left to do. It's kind of a jungle, but these are good problems, and it's totally worth it. You have B vitamins and phytonutrients and magnesium. Everything green has magnesium, so all kinds of other benefits. So I'll be going along and showing you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, and thank you for your support, and I hope there's something inspiring here, and it's worth all the work you put into it. And it's not a magazine, it'll be a jungle in here in no time, but it's amazing. So yeah, hope everyone's doing well this spring, and enjoy the progress. Take care, bye.